Hi everybody, welcome to Knowledge Press YouTube channel. This is the first episode, Phrasal Verbs in the English language. If you want to enrich your English knowledge, please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, get latest notification, my videos. Comment in the comment section. Let's embark on this journey together. Add in. I am going to discuss definition. To include something with something else. Example, I need to add in the final photographs to complete my essay. Setup. Definitions. To formally establish a new company, organization, system, way of working. Example, I need to set up a meeting with the client to discuss the project's progress. Pick something up. Definitions. To collect or to go and get someone or something. Example, I'll pick something up from the store on my way home from work. Point something out. Definitions. To make a person notice someone or something, sometimes by holding up one of your fingers towards him, her or it. Example, during the nature hike, the guide would often point out interesting plants and animals to the group. Find out. Definitions. To get information about something because you want to know more about it, or to learn a fact or piece of information for the first time. Example, I was eager to find out the result of the experiments to see if our hypothesis was correct. Make up. Definitions. To invent something such as an excuse or a story, often in order to deceive. Example, she decides to make up a creative story to entertain her little brother before bedtime. Take over. Definitions. To start doing a job or being responsible for something that another person did or had responsibility for before. Example, after the retirement of the company's founder, his daughter will take over as new CEO. Set out. Definitions. To start an activity with a particular aim. Example, we will set out on our road trip early in the morning to avoid traffic. Take something up. Definitions. To fill an amount of space or time. Example, I decide to take up painting as a hobby and I am really enjoy it. Turn out. Definitions. To happen in a particular way or to have a particular result, especially an unexpected one. Example, the weather forecast predict rain, but it turned out to be a sunny day instead. Take something on. Definition. To accept in a particular job or responsibility. Example, she was eager to take on the new challenge at work and lead a project team for the first time. Give up. Definitions. To stop trying to guess. Example, despite facing numerous obstacles, he refused to give up on his dream of becoming a successful musician. Get up. Definitions. To stand up. Example, every morning I set my alarm early to ensure I have enough time to get up and start my day. Look up. Definitions. To become better. Example, When I encounter a word I don't understand while reading, I often look it up in the dictionary to learn its meaning. Get out of something. Definitions. To avoid doing something that you do not want to do, especially by giving an excuse. Example, she tried to get out of attending the family gathering by pretending to be sick, but her grandmother saw through her ruse. Take something out. Definitions. To remove something from somewhere. Example, I need to take something out of the oven before it burns. Put something someone down. Definitions. To put an object that you are holding onto the floor or onto another surface or to stop carrying someone. Example, the teacher asks the students to put the marker down and listen to the instructions. Put up. Definitions. To raise something or to fix something in a raised position. Example, I'll put up the new poster in the classrooms to make it more colorful and inviting. Turn up. Definitions. Happen or becomes available unexpectedly or in a way that was not planned. Example, I was worried he wouldn't make it to the party, but he surprised us all by turning up just in time for the celebration. Get on. Definitions. To have a good relationship. Example, I need to get on the train before it departs, so I'll hurry to the platform. Bring someone up. Definitions. To care for a child until they are an adult, often giving them particular beliefs. Example, she did her best to bring her child up with strong values and a sense of responsibility. Bring something in. Definition. To introduce something new, such as a product or a law. Example, the gardener decides to bring the potted plants in from the fossils to protect them from the upcoming frost. Look back. Definitions. To think about something that happened in the past. Example, as I approach my 15th birthday, I often look back on my life and reflect on the many experiences and lessons I learned along the way. Look down on someone. Definitions. To think that you are better than someone. Example, it is not fair to look down on someone just because they come from a different background or have different life experiences. Bring something back. Definition. To return from somewhere with something. Example, I forgot to return the library book, so I need to bring it back tomorrow to avoid any late fees. Break down. Definition. If a machine or vehicle breaks down, it stops working. Example, unfortunately, my car broke down on the way to the airport, causing me to miss my flight. Take something off. Definitions. To remove something, especially clothes. Example, after a long day at work, I like to take off my shoes and relax in the comfort of my home. Bring something about. Definitions. To cause something to happen. Example, through years of hard work and dedications, the team was able to bring about positive change in the community. Set something off. Definitions. To cause an activity or event, often a series of events, to begin or happen. Example, the loud fireworks set off a series of car alarms in the neighborhood. Put something out. Definitions. To make a light stop shining by pressing or moving a switch. Example, she quickly grabbed a fire extinguisher to put out the small kitchen fire. Look out. Definitions. To watch what is happening and be careful. Example, while hiking in the forest, be sure to look out for any potential hazards or wildlife. Get down to something. Definitions. To start to direct your efforts and attentions towards something. I'm going to discuss example now. It is time to get down to work and start completing the tasks on our to-do list. Put something on. Definitions. To make a device operate or to cause a device to play something such as CD or DVD by pressing a switch. Example, I need to put on my coat before heading outside because it is quite cold. Bring someone out. Definition. To make a shy person happier and more confident. Example, the talented musician was brought out on stage to perform in front of a large and enthusiastic audience. Turn back. Definition. To return in the direction you have come from or to make someone to do this. Example, as we approached the Clouds Road, due to heavy snowfall, we had no choice but to turn back and find an alternative route. Put something back. Definition. To return an object to where it was before it was moved. Example, after reading the book, I put it back on the shelf in the library so the others could enjoy it as well. Break something up. Definitions. To divide into many pieces or to divide something into many pieces. Example, the teacher has to break the argument between two students in the classroom to restore order and peace. Set something down. Definitions. To write or print something, especially to record it in a formal document. Example, I carefully set the fragile vase down on the table to ensure it wouldn't break. Get in. Definitions. To succeed in entering a place, especially by using force or a trick. Example, I'll call you when I get in from my business trip so we can plan to meet up. Bring someone down. Definitions. To cause someone in a position of power to lose their job. Example, her negative comments and constant criticisms can really break down the morale of her colleagues at work. Hold up. Definitions. To remain strong or successful. I'm going to explain example now. I apologize for being late. I was held up in traffic on my way to the meeting. Pick something out. Definitions. To recognize, find or make a choice among different people or things in a group. Example, amidst the crowd, I managed to pick out my friend's distinctive red hat and we met up at the concert. Put something in. Definition. To spend a lot of time or efforts doing something. Example, I need to put the groceries in the refrigerator to keep them fresh. Take something down. Definitions. To defeat or kill someone or to stop someone from causing harm. Example, I decide to take down the old curtains and replace them with new ones to represent a room's appearance. Turn off. Definitions. To leave the road you are traveling on and travel along another one. Example, before going to bed, remember to turn off the lights and electronics to conserve energy. Give in. Definitions. To finally agree to what someone wants after refusing for a period of time. Example, despite his initial resistance, he eventually had to give in to his friend's perceived argument. Break off. Definitions. To separate a part from a large piece or to become separate. Example, during their hate argument, they decide to break off their relationship and go their separate ways. Give out. Definitions. If a machine or part of your body gives out, it is stopped working or to last no longer or to work no longer. Example, the batteries in the flashlight gave out just when we needed it the most during the power outage. Take something in. Definitions. To understand completely the meaning or importance of something. I am going to discuss example now. As I strolled through the art gallery, took in the beautiful paintings and admired the artist's talent. Move up. Definitions. To increase in value, number or amount. Example, after years of the hard work and dedication, she was finally able to move up in the company and secure a higher position. In next video, I will take a moment to explore the colorful and fascinating phrasal verbs in English language. See you in a future video.